Your feedback really caught our eye because it was really genuine and relatable. And you went from a skeptic wondering if the effort even was worth it to a success story that we really can't wait to share. And guess what? You won. Yes. Congratulations, Matt. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
So, which one of these stunning prizes or stunning prize packs do you choose? The Playtime pack, the Productivity pack, or the Work-Life pack?
That's hard. It's going to have to be the Playtime pack, I think.
All right. The Playtime pack it is. An LG OLED, DJI Air 3 bundle, Xbox Series X, PlayStation 5, Meta Quest 3, Sonos Arc soundbar. The Playtime pack is yours, Matt. Congratulations.
Wow. Oh, thank you. That's awesome. That's incredible.
Congratulations, Matt.